Let's say humanity vanishes tomorrow. Poof. All 8 billion of us just gone. No nuclear war, no asteroid, no zombie apocalypse. Just a nice clean extinction. The question is, how long until there's absolutely no evidence we were ever here? The answer is, well, it depends on what you mean by evidence, which is a cop-out answer, I know. But stick with me because this gets fascinating. The surface stuff goes fast, really fast. Your house, the one you're probably sitting in right now, give it a few hundred years without maintenance, and it's rubble. Water seeps in, rust happens, wood rots, and nature, which has been very patiently waiting for you to stop mowing your lawn, reclaims everything. Let's talk about buildings, then cities which are made up of buildings, and lastly ancient monuments, which are built with an intention to last forever. Most modern buildings are only standing due to maintenance. Once the maintenance stops, the buildings would collapse within hundreds of years, not even thousands. Your average city, after about 1,000 years, most buildings would be gone except for some stone structures. So visible cities, the New Yorks, the Tokyos, the Londons, would be overgrown ruins in a few thousand years, and basically unrecognizable in maybe 10,000 to 50,000 years. Which sounds like a long time until you remember that dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago, and we're still finding the bones in South Dakota. Sure, we still have Egyptian pyramids and Greek temples, but those are the exceptions, the architectural overachievers. They were built with massive stone blocks specifically to last forever, and they might actually succeed. A study on the Great Pyramid estimated it could remain standing for 100,000 years. That's based on the current rate of erosion and weathering. The Parthenon has already survived 2,500 years of earthquakes, fires, and literal explosions, and air pollution and climate change are now the main threats, not structural collapse. So while your average modern building gets hundreds of years, these stone monuments built by ancient civilizations can potentially last hundreds of thousands of years. But then there's the weird stuff that lasts forever. Between 1945 and 1996, humanity conducted over 2,000 nuclear tests. Just testing them out, seeing what would happen, definitely not creating any problems for the future. Well, congratulations, humanity, because we've left a permanent geological marker. Plutonium-239 has a half-life of 24,110 years. It basically doesn't occur in nature, not in any meaningful quantity, so when future alien archaeologists or whatever comes after us dig into sediment layers, they're going to find a thin line of plutonium-239 that screams, something weird happened here around the year 1950. It will be detectable as a pollutant for at least 250,000 years. Moving on, for deeper scars, apparently what we need to do is dig a really deep hole. The most enduring signs of civilization will probably be deep mines in hard rock, such as South African gold mines and Australian lead mines. These will fill with sediment over time, creating what scientists call industrial fossils that can be detectable for millions of years. Also, plastics. We've made so much plastic that microplastic particles will persist in sediment for hundreds of thousands to potentially millions of years. So that's our legacy: nuclear isotopes and tiny bits of shopping bags. Pleasant. Very pleasant. Then there's space. We left stuff on the moon: rovers, flags, golf balls, astronaut poop. No weather, no atmosphere, so it stays there for billions of years. The Voyager probes are even further, drifting through interstellar space long after Earth is gone. The longest-lasting evidence of humanity isn't the pyramids. It's the stuff we threw into the void and forgot about. And here's the paradox. The things we care most about, our buildings, our art, our cities, those disappear fast, while our garbage lasts basically forever. To truly erase humanity, you'd need tens of millions of years, and somehow retrieve all the space junk.